Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got an unboxing for May and you may have already seen it, but it is the Lookfantastic beauty bag. We normally get a beauty box, but this month we've got a bag. They bring out the travel edition type beauty bags around May, June time. And yeah, all the products in here can be used for a night away or a weekend away abroad or something like that. So yeah, they usually do really, really well. And from reading your feedback, you seem to like them doing these as well. You may have already seen that I've posted up a YouTube short last weekend. It's because I received it early. I am on Lookfantastic's PR list, so they kindly send me their boxes for free, so then I can show you early to see if it's a box for you or not. I was really busy last weekend and I knew I wouldn't have time to actually do a sit down unboxing, so I've done a little short. A couple of thousand of you have already seen it, but I know a few of you like to see an actual proper unboxing, so I thought I'd come and do a little one to share. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide. A monthly subscription starts from £15 a month. If you opt for a 12-month subscription, it brings the cost down to £13 a month. They also have a 3 and 6 month subscription at a reduced cost as well. If you use my code Diaryofabeautygeek, you're entitled to receive your first box for £11. I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription and their limited edition boxes they've currently got on their website, and any other offers and discounts and any giveaways I've got currently running, you'll find down there as well, so you're welcome to take a look. But yeah, let's get on to showing you then what's inside. The theme this month is Go Anywhere with Beauty. We've got a QR code here, so I'm able to share with you more information about the box. The sneak peek for next month is a NARS Orgasm Blush, a deluxe size, so everyone will receive that in the box. And also it tells you about the summer limited edition that was released a couple of days ago, which I'll pop down below if you want to take a look there. First up then, we've got an Elemis product. This is a rehydrating ginseng toner and there's 50 mils. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £10. A luxurious, soothing and gentle toner that helps tighten the look of enlarged pores, infused with Korean ginseng, sweet Betty flower and quillaja wood. Perfect for those prone to dry skin. It drenches your skin's base with a hydration it's craving whilst locking in moisture for long-lasting softness. Yeah, this is lovely. This is really nice and gentle on the skin. So there's that. Then we got a sub box favourite. I've got loads of these now. It's Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. And this is a little mini version. How much is here? There's 25 mils here. Smells amazing and it just feels amazing on the skin. So although we've been getting this a lot in different beauty boxes recently over the last year, oh my gosh, the smell. So my thinking is, after I've been out for the day, if it's sunny, not likely here in Wales at the moment, it's very cloudy, or if I've gone on holiday or something like that, have a shower at night and then put a load of body lotion all over my skin, and one that smells nice then. Oh, that's beautiful. So yeah, so a soothing, after sun, tightening body cream. This is worth £10 as well. This forever favourite body cream provides the skin with a boost of hydration for a smoother and sumptuously soft sheen and firm finish. Enriched with guarana extract, kapaku butter, acai oil and coconut oil, it gives skin ultimate nourishment. Scented with the iconic Charosa 62 fragrance, combining notes of pistachio, salted caramel and vanilla, the body cream will leave your skin feeling and smelling irresistible. Is that? Next we got an Ultra Sun. This is a lip balm, a lip treatment, SPF 30. There, you'll probably see it better now. I've just taken the film off. This is full size and it retails for £8. Nice little lip balm there. Infused with blackcurrant seed oil, rich in omega-3 and 6 for intense moisturisation, this versatile product sits perfectly under lipstick, making it a great choice for everyday wear, whatever the weather. Yeah. Next we got something for your hair. Now these come in 2 different variations. You'll either receive this one or a different patterned one. This is Invisibobble Sports Icon Scrunchy Power. I really like these. I've got quite a few of them. I've got plain black ones, I've got leopard print ones. Pink is a little bit clashy in my hair, but I'd use it around the house or out in the garden or something like that. They retail for £5.95. Dressed up in a soft scrunchy fabric, the brand's traditional spiral hair ring delivers a traceless and hair caring hold that lasts. So you'll get that one or another one. The other one looks like, you might not be able to see because of the ring light, but can you see? It's all stripy there. That one's pretty. So you get one of those. Then lastly, we got a duo. We've got a shampoo and conditioner set from Maui. This is coconut milk conditioner for dry hair, coconut milk shampoo for dry hair. And there's both, is it 100 mils? Yeah, both 100 mils there. I haven't smelt them yet. They've been sat down on the floor here waiting for me to film. Oh, it smells lovely. I don't want to shove it up my nose though. Yeah, it smells really nice. These are both worth £3.20. Infused with weightless coconut milk along with sheer guava oil and mango butter. Uses lightweight blend daily without fear of build-up to give your hair a healthy shine and glow. Yeah, really happy that they've got a duo in there. So there you go. So those are all the items inside this month's Lookfantastic beauty bag, special edition beauty bag. We've got a shampoo and conditioner duo. We've got Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Got an Invisibobble scrunchie, we've got an Ultra Sun lip balm, and we've got an Elemis ginseng toner. And they all come in this reusable, clear, Lookfantastic cosmetics bag. I'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.